Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Update your iPhone and confirm an iCloud backup so you can undo layout changes if needed. Once done, open Settings and tap Home Screen. You need to know why. Apple's app library is built in, so you cannot fully delete it. Instead, you'll remove visibility by hiding pages and changing where new apps appear. Follow the first action. Tap Home Screen Options, set new apps to add to Home Screen, and get ready to hide unneeded pages. Once in jiggle mode, long press an empty area until icons wobble. Tap the page dots at the bottom to open Page Management. Now you'll uncheck every page you don't want visible. This removes access to icons without deleting apps. Make sure at least one page stays visible so the home screen remains usable. Tap Done to save. Doing this redirects you to rely on Spotlight search or folders rather than the app library for organization, which effectively reduce. Finish by verifying settings. Home screen has new apps set to add to home screen. This prevents recent installs from only appearing in the app library. Once done, test by installing a small app. If pages or apps reappear unexpectedly, reboot your device, then rehide pages. Sometimes iCloud sync or a temporary UI glitch restores visibility. If problems persist, restore the layout from the iCloud backup you made earlier. That returns you to the state before changes, so you can retry calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.